What's good, YouTube? What's good, Kash family? And hello and welcome to all first-time viewers. Now look, Kash family, I know it's been about a month since I posted my last video, and I truly do apologize, but check out this cut. It was fire. I had to show you guys this because I did not get the full recording. Somehow, some way, I managed not to capture the entire video, so I had to show you. Look at the line. Look at the crispies. I cashed them out. Look at the custom cape from Illusions. That's fire. But anyways, I know I've been away. I'm coming back and I ain't going nowhere. I'm here to stay. I got you. And I need y'all to continue to rock out with me. Now let's get into this next tutorial. Heading in first with our wall cordless detailer, Tremisha, making our first guidelines for this drop fade, securing all the way around the entire head, arching around the ears, so it can have that drop fade effect. And we're gonna make sure we do that to both sides. Now let's lock in. Keeping everything real steady and consistent, same strokes, same motions around both sides of the head, cleaning up the area, clearing out any opposition. Let's cash out. Moving in with the pissed off barber clipper, going up 1 inch, creating our next guideline for this Kash drop fade. And again, Kash family, staying very consistent, going up 1 inch with the line, keeping everything as even as possible. And again, Kash family, I do apologize for the absence. Sometimes life actually begins to life. But who are we to tell life when it can life? We just gotta push through. Just like the steps on this fade, we're gonna move that lever in and out, debulking the situation to taking out the line. We're gonna freak it every which way, like MJ. One thing to keep in mind, Kash family, when we use these sharp trimmers and clippers to create these guidelines, oftentimes we're gonna have to go and use these same clippers, trimmers, to take away that guideline, to make it more clean, because sometimes it can get tough. So be wary and be aware and do the work and do what you're comfortable doing. Like I said, here I am using the corner of the blade of the trimmer that I used to set this guideline to take out the guideline finally. And you know, we have to bring out the slimiest guard of them all. That's that one guard, slime green attachment, going up 1 inch, creating our next guideline for this drop fade. And you know, we're gonna cash them out. And like the sensei say, brush one, fade one, brush one, fade one. Shout out to the beam team. Switching our lever to fully open, debulking the situation, blending in that area from the bottom of the one to the top of the one. And with doing that, sometimes you end up creating another guideline. But that's cool though. Go back in with that 1.5 and get busy. Debunk the situation. Knock out any opposition in the way. Spinning the block, doing a little bit of area beautification with our slimiest guard of them all, ensuring and cashing out on this blend. And as you can see, this fade is coming together slowly but surely. Moving back in with our 0.5 attachment, lever fully closed, securing that last guideline, knocking out and debulking the situation. And oftentimes, most times, 10 out of 10 of times, I always go back in with that lever fully open, right behind that 0.5, because sometimes it doesn't necessarily take out that line completely. Sometimes it only softens it up. So I go back in, do that lever play, you know what I'm gonna say, freak it every which way, and do the dirty work.
Gilly made the beat so it's some heat, boy.
And you know what we do to one side, we must do to the other. And let's get into today's banger, Extraterrestrial by Gilly. Let's rock out.
Hey, yo, Mills, you up next. Extraterrestrial, not from the stratosphere. Air for a nigga out, he can get back, it's way too loud. Lil' bro got the pack in, gas in the mason jar. Nigga that's loud and clear. Trap out the B&B, hoes get smacked in here. Gas, shrooms, you think it's a garden in. Twin got muddy, ain't drinking no Everclear. Out of my body, I'm out of the stratosphere. Extraterrestrial, not from the stratosphere. Air for a nigga out, he can get back, it's way too loud. Lil' bro got the pack in, gas in the mason jar. Nigga that's loud and clear. Trap out the B&B, hoes get smacked in here. Gas, shrooms, you think it's a garden in. Twin got muddy, ain't drinking no Everclear. Out of my body, I'm out of the stratosphere. Out of my body, extraterrestrial. Fuck on her hottie, her pussy so edible. Fuck on her buddy, of course they bisexual. Giving me brain, they both intellectual. I get to the money and they shit is vanilla. A nigga play me, I peel a little vegetable. These niggas who broke, that shit unacceptable. Pop me a Tesla, I'm feeling incredible. I'm geek, I'm not on earth, I'm an alien. Floating like Arabian, that's Aladdin. Bad bitch thick, she better eat her cabbage. Bad bitch randomly calling me daddy. She call me poppy, like how poppy. 1, 2, 3, a nigga got options. I pet like tea, I pet like starlet. High yellow bitch, and I keep one chocolate. Put my lean down the drain and then fuck around and stop it. Way too fly like a hot dollar copy. This sensitive to the little hoe clock it. Pocket full of green, couldn't play for the rocket. Pimp game tight, thing I came with a socket. Even with the other gun, nigga couldn't stop me. Even in the other gun, nigga couldn't box me. No, I'm not rockin', I ain't doing no boxing. Don't take you a risk, little nigga, stop watching. You ain't on shit, little nigga, stop flying. Show the hate to the game, little nigga, and dodge it. Walk to the bank and make it a deposit. Bad bitch at the crib, and she massage it. Love with her throat, she gon' suck me like logic. Smack from the back when I get behind it. Gotta keep calling, I never decline it. Ratio, not from the stratosphere. Air for a nigga out, he can get back, it's way too loud. Lil' bro got the pack in, gas in the mason jar. Nigga that's loud and clear. Trap out the B&B, hoes get smacked in here. Gas, shrooms, you think it's a garden in. Twin got muddy, ain't drinking no Everclear. Out of my body, I'm out of the stratosphere. Extraterrestrial, not from the stratosphere. Air for a nigga out, he can get back, it's way too loud. Lil' bro got the pack in, gas in the mason jar. Nigga that's loud and clear. Trap out the B&B, hoes get smacked in here. Gas, shrooms, you think it's a garden in. Twin got muddy, ain't drinking no Everclear. Out of my body, I'm out of the stratosphere.
Let's get it. That was the banger by Gilly, and we're gonna get into another banger by Gilly and Cam called Delete It. Let's rock out and let's lock in to the rest of this Cash fade.
Give me a reason you getting deleted. Smoking on hybrid, I don't mean a Prius. Push start, but my car can't keep it. My bitch is bad, she pretty conceited. My package gas, this shit can't seal it. All of this ice got me feeling anemic. I look in the mirror, I'm facing my demon. You think about crossing, you getting deleted. Give me a reason you getting deleted. Smoking on hybrid, I don't mean a Prius. Push start, but my car can't keep it. My bitch is bad, she pretty conceited. My package gas, this shit can't seal it. All of this ice got me feeling anemic. I look in the mirror, I'm facing my demon. You think about crossing, you getting deleted. I'm smoking on hybrid, they talking about a Prius. You think about crossing, you getting deleted. Two twin glocks to Mary and Tia. My bitch be Spanish better than beer. Grow my green ch. These niggas ain't seen me like John Cena. I'm skating on ice just like Christina. I'm flooding my neck, Hurricane Katrina. I'm flooding my chest, you better call FEMA. My nigga get stepping like Martin O'Gina. I made one call, my dog gon' clean him. My nigga been spinning and spinning and spinning. I walk in the mall and I just gotta spin it. I set my own style, I don't care what's trending. I'm stuck in the lab, I feel like a chemist. I added a math, I love addiction. You don't want steady that shit called friction. Told my bitch to bring a addition. I love bad bitch, I got an addiction. These niggas be hold, these niggas be switching. I'm too real, a nigga can't relate. These niggas be fake, these niggas too fake. These niggas be snake, they smell in your face. You think about causing you getting a race. Give me a reason you getting deleted. Smoking on hybrid, I don't mean a Prius. Push start, but my car can't keep it. My bitch is bad, she pretty conceited. My package gas, this shit can't seal it. All of this ice got me feeling anemic. I look in the mirror, I'm facing my demon. You think about crossing, you getting deleted. Give me a reason you getting deleted. Smoking on hybrid, I don't mean a Prius. Push start, but my car can't keep it. My bitch is bad, she pretty conceited. My package gas, this shit can't seal it. All of this ice got me feeling anemic. I look in the mirror, I'm facing my demon. You think about crossing, you getting deleted.
Saturday looking, I stay out of mid. Spot him, we got him, get hit with a stick. Nigga reef from my chain, get shot and get shit. Got a slugs in my mouth, every big getting hit. 10 on my head, but he phone with a miss. Gucci man flow, got the scales in the kitchen. My whole gang starting fire, shoot like the piss. And he paid me a bath, so I left that but miss. Quitting that popping and doing that ditch. Fuck, tie your ass so have you swimming with fish. Too many snakes and I hate all that hissing. Better join crypto and go run on some discs. Body for body, let do it like Rollo. Every time that I slide, well, you know I got a Rollo. Don't listen, honey, you know that my gato. Money over bitches, you know that the motto. Give me a reason to pack up and go. Give me a reason to fuck on your hoe. Give me a reason to send that to throw. Give me a reason to kick down your door. Give me a reason to slide with that pole. Give me a reason to pay for your toe. Give me a reason to crash on the art.
Let's get it, another banger. And as you can see, this fade, this drop fade, giving me another reason to cash them out and to continue to cash them out. Look at the line and look at the crispy work. We worked that way from the middle to the left side or the right side of the head, then back from the middle. Now we're gonna go to the left, but our right. Nasty work. This is when I become the artist, like I said before. This is nasty work. This is when you start painting and sketching on the canvas. Give me a reason. Give me a reason to talk. Like always, you know I had to bring out my katana and do that swordsman work like the Wu-Tang. Protect your neck like the Shaolin. We out here with the nice, smooth, crazy blade work. Look at the lines. I should have got it. I should have zoomed in closer for you, but you could see it. Look at it. Come on, baby. Look at it. It's me. It's Cash. I got it. Putting on the final touches. YouTube, this is the cut. I hope you guys loved it. I hope you guys like it. Please like, share, and subscribe to the channel. And comment and know that I will be back. But if you're searching for me, hit that notification bell.